Okay, so I am currently working with the esp2866 Wi-Fi module, which I'm programming with the Arduino uh, programming software, and I'm just going to be taking a small video so that I can have my interpretation of the code uh, while I'm studying. So initially we have the hashtag include module, so we're including the library. And then we have constant character SSID and constant character password. So we are storing our SSID of the network and the password of our network in these variables. And then we have the Wi-Fi server 80, I'm not that sure about. And then we have, moving on from this stuff, and then here. So this is where we start. This is where we start our connection to the Wi-Fi. So Wi-Fi.begin, SSID and password. So it's going to connect to our Wi-Fi. And then here, so while Wi-Fi status is not equal to WL connected, the WL connected is the same as 3. So while this is false, we are going to constantly be running in this loop, which results in a dot. So what we're going to see on the screen is while we are connecting, we're going to see dot, 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 dot. And then as soon as this becomes true, we exit that while loop and we see a print that says Wi-Fi connected. Now to start the server, what we have to do is we have to do server.begin. Once we do the server.begin, we have to print the local IP address. So this is done by serial.print wi-fi.local IP. And then once we have done that, we have the server set up. And now what we have to do is set up, check if we have a client that is connected. And this is done by going and typing in Wi-Fi client is equal to server.available. And so if client, so this is asking, is Wi-Fi client? Is client equal to server.available? And if the answer is false, if client is false, then we just keep going in a loop. As soon as that becomes true, we go to the second part, which is wait until something is sent. So we say while client.available with an exclamation mark. So if the client does not do anything or send any commands, we will stay inside of this while loop. And then as soon as he sends a command, we go down to here, which is client.read string. So and the string is request. So we are going to read the request that the client has sent. We're going to print the request, and then we are going to do a client flush. And currently, I'm at the client flush. I'm trying to figure out if the client flush means to kick this person off the server, or have them refresh. So this is where I'm at now, and then I'll continue studying further on, and hopefully we figure this out. Perfect.